Let's go Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Let's get right into the forecast. We do have a lot to discuss. Now, look, we're going to use some words that have a little gravitas this evening, but don't worry, okay? This is something that we're just keeping an eye on right now. That's a look downtown west. Cloudy skies. We have rain moving in now, 75. The dew point is at 70, so we've got some fuel. And we've got some thunderstorms to the west. Those are in your forecast through midnight. And we're concerned, or at least I'm concerned, with the potential for some damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail. Temperature in the upper 60s. And then tomorrow, you know, it's almost kind of arguably a fallish day with a gusty northwesterly wind. It's gray with rain and thunder around through the course of the day. Tomorrow, temperatures barely 70 degrees. All right, let's get right into the nitty-gritty. What's going on now? So there is a tornado watch, okay? Again, this is not something, you know, to be scared of, all right? A tornado watch simply means the conditions are favorable, okay? Basically, we're watching it, and that's what you should do too. Warnings, however, carry a little bit more weight. The good news is we do not have any warnings right now. So we're just watching for the potential as we go into the evening. I want to show you radar now. We do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings off to the west. Couple little lines here. And we're in this environment tonight where we have what's called wind shear. So as you go up in the atmosphere, the wind is going in different direction as you go up with height. That could cause some of these storms to start to rotate. And that's why we have the tornado watch. Again, there are no tornado warnings right now. Let's walk you through radar, show you what's going on. This is just some plain old regular rain coming into Oneida County right now, Utica, Rome, along the thruway to Verona. But to the west we go, and you can see that's where we have something a little bit more impactful, just about to cross into the western side or cross the border there into Oneida County, western Oneida County. Down to the south, this storm right here, let me see if I could just clean this up for you a little bit, at one point did have a tornado warning with it, okay? This storm right here over Link Lane. That is moving in this direction. It is not warned on for a tornado right now, okay? So we're not overly concerned about a tornado with that storm, but it has had a history, so we have to keep an eye on it. This line to the west has produced damaging wind coming through Wayne County, so we have to watch that line too. So we have the risk for damaging winds, hail, again, the chance of a tornado. I hate using the T word because they're very hard to make, but we're in this environment tonight where we just have to be on guard. And also some flooding potential with these storms. Numbers now are in the upper 70s, Seago County. Again, what we're seeing is these storms kind of develop and move around this area of low pressure, strong, potent area of low pressure going up over Lake Ontario right now. So let's save some time here. I want to show you this. Again, we're all under the risk for some damaging wind gusts, but the highest risk is to the south for severe storms. This is the chance of a tornado. Notice Seago County, Madison, Shenango, 5% chance within 25 miles of a point on this map that there could be a spin-up tornado. The chance is a little bit lower here. And then, of course, we mentioned the flash flooding risk as well. Let's get right into the 7-day forecast. So kind of showery day tomorrow. Breezy, cool, low 70s. Nice Wednesday. Another round of storms Thursday. Nice again Friday. Kind of an every other day affair here with showers and storms. And then clearing out as we head into Sunday and Monday. All right, we got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News continues right after this.
Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Hey, good evening, Central New York. Kind of sleep easy now that the severe weather is over. Hopefully you made it through it okay. And what we're dealing with now is just some leftover weaker showers. That's a look downtown right now. And we still have a few rumbles out there, but again, the severe threat diminishing. No more watches or warnings. Temperatures in the upper 60s tonight with the humidity in tow, but that's going to be changing tomorrow. So we kind of have this broken line of storms and showers, but again, nothing severe right now. And check this out, actually down to the south. You see this right here? That is actually a little baby low pressure. See that little spin right there? A little meso low moving up through the Hudson Valley. Pretty cool. All right, close up here, rain at Otsego County, some scattered storms, Boonville, up towards Forestport, towards Vienna, Camden. Again, none of these severe right now. And you can see that we did have several reports of wind damage, particularly again, oops, let me go back one, into Madison County, Oneida County, Munnsville, trees down, houses damaged, also trees and wires down in the Eaton area. Even a boat capsized or flipped over. So we were just talking about this at the top of the show. Something went through there for sure. We did have reports of a funnel cloud. This is down in northeastern Pennsylvania. Possible tornadoes near the Binghamton area. Yeah, it's been all kinds of stuff going on in the atmosphere today. And I kind of warned you about this going back to last week. I said, man, Monday could be interesting. Certainly was. Temperatures now are in the 60s in the Adirondacks. It's 72 here in town. These numbers aren't going to drop too much. We're probably going to hang upper 60s to low 70s through the day tomorrow. And if anything, temperatures are actually going to drop tomorrow. The humidity lowers. It's actually going to kind of feel a little fallish. So low pressure over the eastern basin of Lake Ontario moving away. You can see the little trailing line of showers there, weakening storms. Not an issue for the rest of the overnight. But do be mindful that some areas had repetitive storms, so there could be some flash flooding. Notice how the showers and storms taper, only to refire again tomorrow. But here's the thing, I do not anticipate severe weather tomorrow. In and out of scattered rain showers, cloudy, breezy, cooler, turning less humid, and with that northwesterly wind gusting upwards of 20, 25, 30 miles an hour, a gray sky passing rain shower, I'd argue that it's actually going to feel a little fallish. Temperatures, like I said, if anything, dropping into the 60s through the afternoon. But a nice recovery Wednesday, beautiful day, sunny, breezy, warmer, but not humid. High temperatures right around 80 degrees on Wednesday. So some showers at Griffiths and Rome right now, 72. The dew point at 70, so those two numbers close together means they're not dropping much from where they are now. So somewhere upper 60s to low 70s, that's kind of where we plateau tomorrow. And like I said, if anything, I wouldn't be surprised if temperatures actually backpedal through the afternoon into the 60s. Nice day Wednesday, and then another round of storms Thursday, 77. Nice again Friday. Another round of storms Saturday. See the pattern here, kind of every other day. Storms taper Sunday, and then mainly dry Monday. High temperatures near 80 degrees. All right, we got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News first at 10 on Fox continues right after this.
Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
All right, good evening to you. I'm meteorologist Craig Flint. The severe threat continues to dwindle as we go through the overnight, so you could rest easy. Maybe one more downpour coming through while you're sleeping, a rumble of thunder. That would be about the extent of that. 71 now. The dew point is right there with it, so that means we're not dropping tonight. Upper 60s to low 70s. That's going to be it. Our high temperature for tomorrow is either going to occur at the stroke of midnight or first thing in the morning. So upper 60s to near 70, a few more downpours or a rumble of thunder, and I think we're going to top out right around 70-ish. If anything, tomorrow the temperatures will backslide into the 60s. Gusty northwesterly wind, showers, embedded thunder, but nothing severe like we had today. All right, check this out. That's a look at radar right now. You can see this broken line of leftover Showers and rumbles of thunder coming through central New York here. Nothing severe with this. This is interesting right here. You see that? Watch that. Little curl right there. That is actually a little baby area of low pressure, what we call meso low. Pretty cool to see for a weather nerd like me. Let's go in a little bit closer, show you what's going on. Again, just a few more downpours and storms. Western and northwestern Oneida County up into Lewis County, where they had some severe weather earlier today, and obviously we had our own little bout there near the Vernon area. Again, National Weather Service will be surveying the damage there on Wednesday to determine what exactly it was. And if you've been with us here at the top of the show, we were showing you some video. That's looks pretty suspect to me. But the good news is the severe threat's over. Again, still dealing with a couple of these showers and downpours off to the north and west of Utica here, and moving in this direction. So really not much more in terms of severe weather tonight. Mild, muggy, low 70s. Here in Utica and Rome, upper 60s to the low 70s. Otsego County, you guys were spared today. Nothing too severe there. Adirondacks, particularly Lewis County, there was a pretty nasty storm with a possible tornado from West Turin up through and just south and east of Lowville. Mid-60s tonight in the Adirondacks. So low pressure continues to spiral away. This low right here over eastern Lake Ontario, that trailing line of showers and storms there, that's moving away, but we're still going to be kind of dealing with in and out showers through the course of the day tomorrow. Winds will shift north by westerly. That is going to drop the humidity. It'll be gusty tomorrow. We're going to have in and out scattered showers, a rumble of thunder, but nothing severe. And like I said, temperatures will probably peak in the morning and then, if anything, drop into the 60s by the afternoon. Arguably a little fallish tomorrow. But then it's a quick recovery on Wednesday. With more sunshine expected, high temperatures will be right around 80, but not humid. Yay! Then we get into Thursday. Scattered storms, 77. Friday, good. Saturday, more scattered storms, near 80. And it's kind of this every other day pattern here. A couple storms linger Sunday. Should clear out, 77. Maybe a spotty shower Monday. And a high temperature right around 80 degrees. So the severe threat done. So you can rest easy as we go through the rest of the night. All right, we got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News continues right after this.